Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove camera watermark or turn off camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. Sometimes you may have been used camera watermark for taking photos. For example, here I take this photo and see in the photo that I captured. Here some watermark is displayed because I have set this watermark previously to appear in the photo. Okay, if you want to remove this watermark, what you have to do is just go to the camera and click on the settings of camera here and go to watermark. Just turn off this button. Now we will not get any watermark hereafter if you take a photo. See here, I take another photo and open the photo that I took and see in the bottom left side there is no watermark because I have removed that feature. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.